vlog YouTube channel video. Yeah, I'm kind of bored, so I decided to make one. Thought it'd be kind of rad. This is probably going to be a really boring one, but I promise you they're going to get a lot more interesting. But, you know, kind of tired right now, no idea what to do. It's the weekend, and me being the unsocial nerd that I am has no one to go with, like, anywhere with. Cause, yeah, but I'm sure that'll change. What are you? What do you want? Get away from me. What do you want? Yeah, total boredom right there. Thanks to Kelsey's sock puppet. Sock puppets are the best. Shout out to Kelsey. Woo, Kelsey! Best friend. She's amazing. Totally amazing. Woo, Kelsey. I'm very pretty. I'm jealous. But, yep. Kelsey, sock puppets. That's a normal art class. Normal. Yeah, normal. Totally normal. Being in, yeah, totally normal. But, yep. Polka dots! Polka dots are amazing! So, more. I'm a dinosaur! Totally do whatever you want, because I'm totally bored and have no time on my hands. So you should totally do that, and I'll do whatever you want. Request those music things where you, like, let's